With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. A mixture consists of two radioactive material A1 and A2 with half-life of 20 seconds and 10 seconds respectively. Initially the mixture has 40 gram of A1 and 160 gram of A2. After what time? The amount of the two in the mixture will be equal. So we know that here what happens after any time t, the number of nuclei left will be equals to initial number of nuclei e to the power decay constant into time, right? So if you see, after each half-life, the number of nuclei present in the sample will become half, and the same will goes for the mass also, right? So what will happen, let's say m mass of any nuclei is present, after one half-life it will become m by 2, after another one half-life it will become again half, so this will continue here, m by 2, so it will be m by 2 square, it will be m by 2 cube. So basically the mass left will be equal to at any time it will be initial mass by 2 to the power n, where n is the number of half-life. So if you see, the two samples have masses 40 and 160 gram and their half-life is this and this. So if I talk about the number of half-life, right, you can see the number of half-life, it will be the total time by this. Number of half-life is total time by the half-life. So the one which is having more half-life, number of half-life of that will be less. What does it mean here? It means that if I took 40 seconds, right? If I took 40 seconds, in 40 seconds, 2 half-life of sample 1 will be there and 4 half-life of sample 2 will be there, right? The total time divided by the half-life. So if you see the number of half-life for 1 and for 2, it will be the half-life for the 2 by half-life of the 1. If you see here, half-life of the 2 is 10 seconds and half-life of the 1 is 20 seconds. So I will write down it is 10 by 20 and it is half. So number of half-life will be related like this, right? It will be n2 is equals to 2n1 if you cross multiply them. Now if you see the initial masses of the two, it is 40 and 160. So I will write down the mass left of them after time t. For the first one, it is 40 by 2 to the power n1, and another one is having mass 160. So for n, this second mass, the number of half-life is n2. In the same time, right? In the same time, it will be having the number of half-life. It will be 160 this. Now you can put the value of n2 is equals to 2n1. And you can equate them. So I will write the masses of them is same. So it is 40 by 2 to the power n1 is equals to 60 2 to the power 2n1. So this will get cancelled out by 4. And I will write down 2 to the power 2n1 by 2 to the power n1 is equals to 4, that is 2 square. From here, I can write down this 2 to the power n1 is equals to 2 to the power 2. Right? So the number of half-life for the sample 1, it will be 2. If you see, we got n1 is equals to 2. So you can see the half-life of the sample 1 is 20 seconds. So the number of half-life is 2. So time will be the number of half-life into the half-life of the 1. It is 2 into 20 second, that is 40 second. And this will be the answer of this question. You can also cross check it. If you see, the sample was 40 gram and 160 gram. Right? If you see, the masses of the sample was 40 and 160 and the half-life was 20 and 10. So in 20 seconds, this will become 20 gram. In 20 seconds, this will have 2 half-life. So it will become 80, then 40 gram. 10 second and 10 second. And what will happen in another 20 second? In another 20 second, this will become 10 gram, half. And this will become 20 gram in next 10 second and 20 gram in another next second. This. So finally, they both are having equal after 40 seconds. Now you can check for the option. D is the correct one. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.